So today's Saturday, the day before Mother's Day, and I sit down on a bay watching Johnson pass the sea. I was going to take a sea bath, but the water looking so slimy, funny, man. Yeah, just meditating and thinking on things, life, reflecting on the past, reflecting on the people you have dealt with, reflecting on how you have dealt with the people around you, reflecting on where the problem is, where the solution can come from, how to deal with it, thinking of who you have wronged, and how you, not even how you can make it right. It's simple. It was easy to wrong the person, so it's simple. It should be simple to make it right. You know, whether the person accepts it or not, you feel good in yourself. But then sometimes you need to relax, take some back step and reflect, because we just be so busy and caught up in life that we doesn't take that time and reflect on those things. A lot of us doesn't take time to reflect on those things, and it's important because in the process and in the hustle of life, we end up hurting people, not even realizing that we hurt these people. It wasn't intentional, but it was done. And it's only in taking setbacks like that you realize that yes, you have wronged some people, and some people have made you believe that you have wronged them when it wasn't, and all that are the things that you have to sit and think of, because once you start pondering about one, the rest is going to come automatically. You feel me? Yes. Because in life, we need to take a step back. We don't do it for the people, but we do it for us, for our subconscious, for our state, our mental state, for our uplifting, moving forward, you know. If the person doesn't want to understand that is up to the person. You move forward on your own. You move forward. You know you wronged the person, and you said that you were wrong, and you admit, and you gave the person a sincere apology, and the person take it or not. That is the person to stay back and keep themselves bonded to that thing, whereas you have released yourself. So that's what I'm doing here, guys. Taking time back to reflect. Reflect on both the good, the bad, and the ugly. Also reflect on your purpose in life. Also reflect on what your life path, thinking, meditating. It's important, guys. Having Mother Nature and its coolness, the breeze, the air, the earth, the fire, the wind. The sun is the fire. The wind. The sea is my water. I'm sitting on the rock, which is parts of nature, the earth. I have the 4 elements right now. So I'm trying to use them in the best of my abilities. There are certain things that people might have asked you. There are certain things that people may have wanted from you, certain favors. And all that, you need to take a step back to know whether you are doing the right thing or taking the right decision. And ask yourself also the question of why certain people come back to you, and what you should do after they have done so many bad. There are people also that you have let go of, that did not deserve it the way that you did it. All this, you need to set back and relax and think of it, and why did I stop talking to that person, or what did they do, or where was the wrong, and how is there going to be a right, if there is to be a right. But I believe we should make right with each and every one, no matter what they do, us for our forward movement, our uplifting. I believe so. For some people it might be hard. Some people, why it might be hard, because you realize that they are still in the ways that they are and you left them. But that's not your business. That's theirs. That's their subconscious, and their life, their health to deal with. You need to move forward. You need to elevate in life. So there it is. You got to make the right choice, the right move. Being in hermit mode sometimes takes certain reflection and positive ones. People you have helped that have wronged you, take your money, go to witchcraft, try to have you do things to you. People who made mental rituals on you, psychological rituals. People who did sacrificing of animals to eliminate you from the picture. People who put bond spells on you. People who took you for granted. People who did not believe in your gift, now coming back to ask for help. People who did not know that you had a worth, they thought that you were worthless. People who used and abused and refused you. When we say, we always use that term, use and abuse and refuse a person. Hello, what is that? Really and really, let's break that thing down. I gave you my life, I gave you my heart, not only in love. I took my last dime and I blessed you. I gave you my home. I opened my family to you. Humans, we are humans. I helped you. I fed you, I clothed you. Today, you said that I did nothing. Today, you refuse to help me. Today, you were talking to me. And I don't know for what. And I don't know why. And all I'm asking is one simple explanation. Maybe if you say I hate you, it would even be okay. Then I would say hate can do a lot of things. And some of us will blaspheme the people that help. We did that too back then. We did that once upon a time. And we sometimes still do that, some of us. So, who are we to point a finger? The Bible said, he who has never felt a stone, show his hand. He who has never done wrong, show his hand. Because we all have did wrong. It's how we are dealing with the wrong that we have done or we have received. Whether you have gotten it, whether you did it, how are you going to deal with it as of now that you recognize it? Because recognizing it is all there is. As long as you can recognize your faults, maybe before your strength, you will have your strength, girl, boy. You will have that strength. As long as you can point your fears and face it, you'll be brave enough. You will. As long as you can look at trash and say that it's gold, then you have riches. Trust me. A man that is blessed from the crown of his head to the soles of his feet. Might take a little drifting, a little bruising, but eventually, even if it's when you take your last breath, my fellow subscribers, my fellow followers, my soul tribes, even if when you take that last breath, that blessing is gonna show. Oh yes, it is. In the name of Jesus, it's gonna show. Because it was there to show. Life is beautiful. It's the way we live it. The beauty of where I'm sitting right now. Isn't that lovely? Look at what Mother Nature has given to us. And we have no forgiveness for loitering Mother Nature, for littering Mother Nature and having it in the state that it is right now sometimes. Having it, no. Coral reefs, trees, fishes floating, being dead and don't know why. See? Even nature has its own conflict. We are only humans. So, to say, that's my day. Today and tomorrow is Mother's Day. So, I'm with my son. And I'm just reflecting. Thank you guys. I guess that was the message I had for you for today. You are loved, you are special, and there is no one like you. Have a wonderful evening. Wonderful day, guys.